Okay, done. Let me record. This is recording. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Now, Ramapriya, okay, wants to add, sorry, Divya wants to add Ramapriya. How can Divya add Ramapriya? Usually, what is the GUI method? She has to double click on Ramapriya and Divya has to double click from Divya's connection. Divya has to double click on Ramapriya and she can add it. But there is no Ramapriya login, right? Actually, Divya is not authorized to see other logins. That's why she can see only Divya's login and SA login. Lot of logins are there. These many logins are there. But Divya doesn't have permissions to see all the logins. That's why Divya can see only her login and a permanent SA login she can see. Right, chalo. So now what we can do, I'll generate a query. How to add person to the role, I'll generate a query. Double click on Ramapriya, go to server role, okay, add, select this DB creator role, generate script. Click on the script, guys. It will create a query window script. Then cancel it. What is the script? Alter server role. What server role? DB creator. Means I am altering the server role. Which role? DB creator role. What I'm altering? I'm adding one member. What is the member name? Ramapriya. Copy the script. Control C. Go to Divya session. Control N. This is Divya session. Control V. Can I execute now? Okay.
No, sir.
Can I execute or I'll get the error?
You will get the error, sir. I think.
Why?
She is not a.
She means who? Divya? Click, just type your answers, guys, in the chat, yes or no. Whether it will be successfully executed or it will throw errors. Just type yes or no. Yes means successfully executed, no means it will throw errors. Just type your answer.
Sir, Divya has a DB creator role, sir.
Yes, she has.
Then, okay, I will chart.
Divya is a DB creator, guys. That's what I'm saying. Divya is a DB creator. If you want, you can see on Divya. Go to server role. You can see Divya. Divya is a DB creator. That means she can add other logins to the DB creator role. Now tell me what is the output? Is it successful or it will throw error? I don't want to confuse you guys again, but it depends what questions you are asking. While explaining those questions, you might confuse other persons. If you are very
Ramapriya is not a login in the.
sorry.
But Ramapriya is not a login in Divya account.
Come on. There is no Divya account. There is no Madhvi account. At the end of the day, all our resources, all are the entities of the server, sir. Again, that's what I'm saying. This is not Divya's own home to customize whatever she wants. This is an apartment. Okay. This is an apartment, right? This is Madhavi's floor. This is Divya's floor. But at the end of the day, no one can change the apartment. It's how you are accessing. That's it. Okay. If you don't have proper privileges, you cannot see all those things. That's it. That doesn't mean this is Divya's account. So Ramapriya should be there. Ramapriya is there in Divya's account also, but Ramapriya is not authorized to see. I'm sorry, Divya is not authorized to see Ramapriya.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thanks.
At the end of the day, both are doing changes on the same server. Madhavi is the sysadmin, so she can see all the things. Whereas Divya is not sysadmin, so she cannot see all the things in the server. That's it. Madhavi, in the same apartment, Madhavi bought a premium flat where she can enjoy all the services. In the same apartment, Madhavi, Divya got a budget flat. Okay, she cannot enjoy all the services. But at the end of the day, apartment structure won't be changed. Apartment height, apartment, what we can say, that length and all, the perimeters and all, that particular LBH and all not going to be changed. Everything will be same. But Divya, as per Divya's permissions, she cannot see all those things. She cannot enjoy all the utilities in the apartment, guys, or else in the what we can say gated community. You can call it as anything. Okay. So now is it clear? Still having any confusion? Now
No,
tell
sir.
me,
Got it.
is this query will be succeeded or it will be failed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
succeeded.
Succeeded. In this way you can add, okay, alter server role. Even though you cannot see Divya, I'm sorry, Ramapriya, but Divya is a member of DB creator. She can give permissions to Ramapriya. Guys, if you are confused, if you are having any confusion in this, leave it. No issues. We don't use server roles, okay, in the organization, but you have to know what is the server role, what permissions are there. You have to know. But if you are confusing, happily you can leave this topic. No issues at all. At least try to understand basic things, right? How can I see the things and all? How can I add any person? Our responsibility is simply if anyone asks you, hey, can you please add me into this role? We'll see the login is created for them or not. If it is created, double click on the login. We'll go to the server roles. We'll give it to the particular role. We'll add them into the role. That's what we are going to do. That's it. 1 minute work. That's it. In which role they are asking us to add, if they have proper approvals, we'll add them into that role, guys. That is our responsibility. That's it. If you don't understand, no issues. But basic things you have to understand: how to add any person into the role, how to assign any person to the role. Okay, basic things you have to know. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. I see a lot of people are
Yes,
still
sir.
facing trouble in
Yes, sir.
understanding these things, but very simple things. Nothing is there to break your heads. Very simple thing. Minute
Sir,
thing.
every time they have to come and ask us the permission, or
Yes,
once
correct.
we give, it will done.
Correct. Every time. See, now today your
Okay.
responsibilities are different. Tomorrow you might get extra responsibilities, right? So I
Okay.
cannot guess. Okay, tomorrow she will get extra responsibilities. Chalo, why every time I'll give at a time I'll give sysadmin. That's it. It's not the correct way, right? If I give sysadmin, that's it. You don't want to misuse wantedly, but by mistake, if you can do anything, it will be gone, right? So every time, if they need extra permissions, every time they have to raise a request. Okay, this time you have access on Reliance database. Next time you are seeking permissions on employee database. Then again you have to raise a request. Again, we'll give you access on the employee database.
Got it.
Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Okay, so now if you see Ramapriya, earlier Ramapriya doesn't have checked this option, right? DB creator. Now it was checked. Why? Because we haven't checked. I just created Ramapriya. If you remember, I removed the DB creator permission for Ramapriya. But I again run this query from Divya's session. Okay, so Divya added Ramapriya to this role. Now Ramapriya becomes okay DB creator. Now Ramapriya can add other person. Ramapriya can add Raghu. Raghu can add Ravi. Ravi can add Naresh. Naresh can add Shanmukh. If you are a member, you can add other persons to this role. Is it clear, guys? At least.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Really fine, sir.
Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope people are not sleeping in my class.
Sir, sir, in this case, from developer team, not only Divya, like other person like Ramakrishna is there. Ramakrishna also want this DB creator role. In that case, Divya can give. Simply she
Ramakrishna,
add.
see, Ramakrishna don't know Divya is having this permission, right? Ramakrishna will raise a ticket to the DBA team. Whoever is available, they will take it and they will add Ramakrishna to that role. Okay, Ramakrishna again, how Ramakrishna knows Divya is having this permission? Even I don't know Divya is having that permission. Lot of hundreds of logins will be there. Different permissions will be there for each login. It's again at the end of the day, I am saying how to add it. I am saying he can add it. That's it. But don't think Divya, whenever Ramakrishna needs any request, Ramakrishna has to reach Divya. Don't understand the concept in that way. Divya can give.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but Ramakrishna don't reach Divya to give the permissions. Ramakrishna at the end of the day, he will raise a ticket. That ticket will comes to DBA
Yes.
queue,
Yes.
and whoever is available in that shift, he will take it and he will give the permissions.
Yeah. The ultimate thing is that mostly they reach us.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
At the end of the day, they have to reach DBA team. They cannot give their own permissions. Hey, you are a DB creator. I'm a process admin. I'll add you. You will add me. Okay, it's not going to work like that. They can add it, but that is not the way. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is not professional way. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes, sir. Correct. Yes. Thanks, sir.
No problem. Guys, any
So
question?
they're adding by default, but is there any way that we can create any customized server roles and block Divya
Yes,
from
yes. We
adding
can do that.
Ramapriya?
We can add it. We can do that. We can deny any permissions. Now you
No,
have
no,
it
sir,
out.
not sysadmin, sir.
Not
Ramapriya,
sysadmin, not sysadmin. I'm saying deny Divya is having a DB creator role. By default,
yes, sir.
Divya can add another person to the same role. I can
As a
deny
DB.
adding her another person to the DB creator role.
Okay, sir.
I can make sure Divya is not going to misuse those permissions. I can deny that permission to Divya.
Okay.
Any questions, guys?
Sir, one question, sir.
Please, please.
సార్ వేరే వాళ్ళ లాగిన్స్ నేను చూడలేనప్పుడు వాళ్ళు పర్మిషన్స్ నేను ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి సార్? ఇంకా క్వైరీ రన్ చేయాలి కదా?
That's it. That's what we did, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why I just ran this query. If you don't know the query, I just generated by using the Divya's Madhavi's account. That's why I don't see Ramapriya here under Divya's account. Okay. How can I give? If I can see Ramapriya, I can double click. I can give it easily by using GUI option. But I don't see, right? So the ultimate way is I have to go for command. If you don't know command, how to generate, I just used this Madhavi's account to generate this command. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any questions, please?
This won't be used at all in organization.
No,
sir.
no, no. Might be,
correct.
see, might be they will ask you to add in the sysadmin role. Hardly. How to give sysadmin,
Yes, sir.
you know, right? How to add any person to any role, double click on the login. Okay, and server roles, sysadmin, chalo, khatam, okay. Divya, you're a sysadmin. That's it. Nothing we are going to do. If Divya is asking permissions, the sysadmin permissions, if Divya has enough approvals, we'll give the sysadmin to Divya. That's what our responsibility. Again, we don't logged in as Anand. We'll check whether Anand can delete the database or not. No.
Yeah.
No need to check. Why we are checking, why we are doing all this practice.
Yes, you are
Just to
explaining
get
that
the
one.
clarity. Yeah, to
Yes.
get the clarity. Whether how the things will work to get the clarity. That's it. If I want to remove the sysadmin role for Anand, double click on the Anand again, server roles, uncheck this, that's it. Now Anand is not sysadmin. Okay, this is what maximum will do, guys. Which role they are asking will simply add. And again, I was very much disappointed that if I want to give any access to any other person, that I have to click on myself. If Madhavi wants to give access to Divya, people are saying you have to double click on Madhavi. Madhavi is already enjoying the permissions. Why we have to double click on the Madhavi? If in that case, if we want to double click on the Madhavi, how to give permissions to others in that case? If every time I am double clicking on Madhavi, how to give permissions to others in that case? Right? Logical point, right? To which person you want to give access, double click on that person. And if he is not there, create the login and double click on it. Okay, guys, is it clear?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done. Let's continue the process admin. Process admin will have two permissions. One is, of course, he can add a person to the particular process admin role. Second one is he can kill the session, guys. Okay. What is this kill? In what scenarios will kill the sessions? Okay. So kill in the performance tuning, I'll explain why we have to kill the sessions and all, but how to kill, I'll tell you. Okay. I want to kill Divya session. Okay, the command is kill SPID. I want to kill Divya session. SPID of Divya is 60. Kill space 60. In that way, I can kill 60 session ID. Execute it. As I am running it on Madhavi's account, Madhavi is the authorized person. She is a sysadmin. So she can kill all other sessions. She cannot, not only she, no one can kill session IDs, SPIDs. Okay, below 50. I want to kill 47. I cannot kill. These are the background processes. Up to 50 background processes. Okay, let me kill 46. I'll show you the error clearly. you can kill only user sessions. See here, only user sessions can be killed. Below 50, you cannot kill, guys. Those are the background. Please mute it. Below 50, you cannot kill. Thank you. Okay. So below 50, you cannot kill it. You will get this error. Only users processes can be killed. From 51 onwards, okay, you can kill the sessions. In what scenario will kill it, I'll tell you in the performance tuning class. Okay, why we have to kill it, what scenario will kill it, we'll discuss. There is a separate class on that, so nothing to worry. But this is how we have to kill any session. Okay, right? Clear, guys? But Divya is not a process admin, right? Let me execute. Let me check how many processes are there. Now 60 processes gone, right? We just killed 60. There is no 60 process now. 61 is there. Chalo, let me go to the 61. Sorry, let me go to the Divya session. Let me open a query window. What is the query, guys? To see all the processes, all the
SP
sessions.
Huto.
Underscore
SP
who.
Husband.
Let me execute it. Can I execute in Divya's account? Chalo, let's try.
Yes, sir.
How many sessions you can see?
1.
Which session it is?
60.
60.
Session only, sir.
Who is the login?
Divya.
Divya only. Divya only.
If you are not authorized person, you cannot see other session. You can see your own session, like logins. Divya can see her own login, right? In the same way, Divya can see her own session 60. You can see here 60. The same 60 Divya can see here also. Login is Divya. She cannot see. She is not. How many sessions are there actually in the Madhuri's account? 57 sessions are there, but Divya can see only her session. She cannot see other 56 sessions. Why? Because she is not authorized person. How can she see the other sessions, guys?
And she became a sysadmin, sir.
And only
She
sysadmin
has
can see.
given process admin.
Very good.
Process.
A process admin can see other sessions. A process admin can kill other sessions. Okay. Chalo, let's make Divya as a process admin. How can I make it, guys? Can you help me?
Double click on Divya, sir.
Divya or Madhvi?
Divya,
No,
sir.
sir. Divya only. Divya only.
No,
Divya.
sir. Madhvi only.
No, sir. Divya.
Yeah,
No, sir.
Divya,
Madhvi
sir.
only.
No, Divya.
No, sir. Madhvi only. So let's double click on Divya. Okay. Divya,
Yeah.
server role, process admin.
Process admin.
Okay. Click OK. Done, guys. Okay. Now execute the same query. Earlier, she is not authorized to see all the sessions, right? Now execute. Now she can see all the sessions. Now she can kill also. She can kill other sessions also. Okay. Kill means not that kill. Kill means she can kill that session. That's it. Okay. Kill whatever session she want to kill. 61. Okay. Let's try to kill 61. 61. That's it. You can kill it. Okay. So now 61 is not available. Once you kill the session, whatever it is running under that session, everything will be cancelled, guys. Okay. Guys, is it clear using process admin? Still any confusion, any doubts?
Fine, sir.
Fine.
Killing means log off, not disconnect.
That is different kill. Okay. That is different kill. This is different kill. Okay. Killing means just give you a basic idea. See, for example, one person is running a query. Because of his query, all the resources are consuming a lot, and his query is blocking all other sessions. In that case, you can kill his session. The session, whatever he is running or she is running or a developer is running, will be killed. Only that particular session will be killed. For example, Raghu is running bulk insert operations under some session ID 89. Because of Raghu's bulk inserts, some other processes are blocked. As it is a bulk insert, it is taking a lot of time. Once Raghu session is completed, then only other sessions can be completed. In that case, as a DBA, I can kill Raghu session. Okay. Once I kill Raghu session, whatever Raghu is running will be cancelled. The whole work will be cancelled. Okay, guys, that is called killing. Okay, in the performance tuning, you will get a better idea what is killing and all, why we have to kill. Okay.
So
Is it
can I
clear?
log into the sysadmin session?
Very good question. That is the assignment for tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Did you got what he asked? Madhavi is a sysadmin. Divya is a process admin. Madhavi is a sysadmin. Divya is a process admin. Madhavi also can kill the sessions. Divya also can kill the sessions. Of course, Madhavi is a sysadmin. Madhavi can kill Divya's session. Agree? This is valid, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
But Divya is a process admin. Divya can kill Madhavi's session or not?
Yes, sir.
You can kill, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
That is the assignment question for tomorrow. I hope you know how to practice. Create 2 logins, and guys, before deleting, make sure at least one login is available. Otherwise, if you delete a main logins itself, you cannot log into SQL Server. Don't touch one permanent login, keep it as it is. Remaining login you can create and you can work on it. Okay, this is very important thing. People will do, they will what we can say. In Telugu we have that samita, right? Kuchuna common narkunattu. So we are going to, if we delete our own logins, we cannot log into the SQL Server. Okay, so practice with the 2 different logins, create 2 different logins, and you can practice. Okay, agree? Right. Now my question is, just you know how to practice it. Create 2 logins. Make sure one login is a sysadmin. Make sure another login is a process admin. Try to open one query window. No need to run any queries. Just open a query window, one query window. Try to kill a process admin from try to kill a sysadmin session from process admin, guys. Try and let me know. Okay, that is the assignment question for tomorrow. Chalo, let's complete other roles, guys. We have time. What is the other role? Public.
Repeat, sir.
Can a process admin kill sysadmin session or not? Can a process admin kill sysadmin session or not? Got the question now?
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay, right. So now you want to see, sir, what public role will have permissions? I want to see, sir. Okay, so chalo, where is the query window? This is the one. No, this is not the one. This is the one. No, this is not the one. This is the one. No, this is not the one. Okay, 55. This is the one. Okay, done. Remove it. Drag and drop public. Tell me, guys, what permissions public will have? Anyone guess?
Yes, too. Public does not have any permission, sir.
Very
Except
good. Okay, public is not a fixed server role. This is the default role, guys. This doesn't have any permissions. Okay, that's why you can see public is not a non-fixed server role. So let's remove this. No issues now. And security admin. Okay, so security admin, total 16 permissions are there. Of course, if you are a member of security admin, you can add other member to the security admin role. Okay, if you are a member of security admin, you can add other members to a security admin role. Right? So these are all the permissions. Main permissions I'll tell you. Again, no need, sir. Do I need to remember all these 16 permissions? No, no need. Main permissions I'll tell you. A security admin can create login. A security admin can drop the login. A security admin can rename the login. A security admin can reset the passwords of the existing logins. Okay, these are the main. Security admin means security, right? Security means creating logins and all, right? So security admin create the login, delete the login, rename the login, reset the password of the existing logins, guys. This is what a security admin will do. Clear? Now, logins, right? Divya is unable to see other logins, right? Now, any clue now? If Divya, in which role I have to add Divya to see all other logins? Can any guess?
security only, sir.
Security admin.
Okay, so let's try.
Security admin role.
Yes, server roles. Okay, where is the Divya? Logins. Double click on Divya. Let me go to server roles. Again, I'm removing. Why? Because see, it's not wrong if you have like this also, no issues. But while practicing, practice one role at a time. That's why I'm removing other role, guys. Okay, click OK. Now directly go to this Divya. Just refresh it. Now you can see 2 logins, right? Refresh it. See here. Until now, Divya doesn't have permissions to see other logins, login related information. Now Divya is a member of security admin, so she can see other logins also now. She can create new logins. She can drop existing logins. She can change passwords of any logins, guys. Now one more question. Divya is a security admin. Madhavi is a sysadmin. Divya can delete Madhavi login or not. Divya can reset the password of Madhavi. Means Divya can delete sysadmin. Divya can reset the password of sysadmin. Please let me mute you all. Done. Okay. So my question is like process admin. Okay. If Divya is a process admin, can Divya kill sysadmin session? That is one question. If Divya is a security admin, as per the security admin can create new logins, drop the existing logins, right? So my question, if Divya is a security admin, can Divya drop the Madhavi's login or not? Madhavi is a sysadmin, Divya is a security admin, Madhavi is higher than Divya. Okay, right? Now, can Divya drop or delete the Madhavi's login? That is
I
the
guess not possible, sir.
okay. That is
No,
the assignment
sir.
question for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow
Okay.
please check it, and you know how to check it. One is the sysadmin, another one is security admin. Once you are security admin, you can see the logins here clearly. Where is Madhavi? Right click, delete. Okay, I don't click on delete. If I click on delete, you will came to know the answer. Okay, so I don't click on delete. So you have to check and let me know whether Divya can delete Madhavi or not. Okay. A person who is in lower position can kill higher position. A person who is in lower position can delete higher position. So this is what our question. Okay, if you are still confusing. Next, what is the next role, guys? If you want to test Divya whether she can create new login or not, she can create. Happily, she can create any login. She can create, no issues. Let's go with the Raghu this time. 1, 2, 3 tab 1, 2, 3. Okay. Uncheck enforce password policy. Click OK. Right now, Divya is able to create new logins also. Divya can delete new logins also. Right click, delete. Click OK. Click OK again. That's it. She can delete new logins. She can and again what she can do, she can create new logins. Divya wants to reset the password of Ramapriya. Yes, she can reset whatever she wants. She can reset. Okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3 password. I want to change it to 1, 2, 3, 4 tab 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. She can change other logins passwords and all. Okay, that is possible as Divya is a security admin. Chalo, let's go with other role, guys. I hope you are you are able to understand the things. But again, if you are still confusing, no issue. You can leave it, guys. No issue at all. Okay, just try to understand how to add any member to any role. That's it. That's fine. Server admin. Okay. Server admin is having these kind of permissions, guys. Shutdown. Very important permission is shutdown. Okay. What is the query? How can we shut down the SQL server, guys? Can anyone tell me? In how many ways we can shut down?
Stop the service.
Right
Stop
click,
the service.
stop the service. This is one way. Okay.
Go to service account.
Very good. Service account or services?
Services,
service
sir.
Services.
Or
Services.
configuration manager.
Services.ms.
Okay. Go to services.msc. Go to SQL Server service. Select any service and just hit yes button. You can see all the services with yes. Go to SQL Server. I want to stop this Mother Azure. You can stop it. This is another way. Also, I can use configuration manager. Configuration manager. And here also you can stop the SQL Server service. There is a query, guys. There is a query to stop the SQL Server services. Okay. You can go to SQL services. I want to stop this instance, right click stop or select it. You can stop it. This is the stop button. Okay, this is another way. Now, what is the query, guys? Can anyone tell me what is the query to shut down the SQL server?
Down, simple shutdown.
Yes, okay, there is a query shut down. Right, so Divya can able to execute this query, guys. Divya is having permissions to execute this query, shutdown query. This is Divya session. Divya can shut down the SQL server.
No, sir.
Who is
If
a
she
member
has-
of server admin? Who is a member of server admin? They can shut down, right? Who is a member of server admin? They can shut down. Or a sysadmin also can shut down. Divya is not a sysadmin. Divya is not a server admin, so she cannot shut down. If she executed, she will get an error. User doesn't have permissions to perform this action. Okay, right? Chalo, let's add Divya to the server admin role. Go to security. Go to where is that server admin? Server admin is very powerful, guys. Don't give the server admin to everyone or anyone. Okay, this is role, right? Let me go to this logins and Divya, and let me go to server roles and check the security. So check the server admin. Again, I'm trying to execute the same query. Earlier, I got the error, right? Now let me execute. The SQL server will be stopped. SQL server is terminating this process. Okay, and this green play button will become red stop button, guys. You can verify. You will get, I guess, you will get the notification, yes or no. You have to press yes. You can verify whether it was stopped or not using this window. Yes, it was stopped, right? You can see the play stop button. It was highlighted. If it is running, you can see play button like this.
Yes, sir.
But it is not updating. It will take some time to update here. If you refresh it, okay, you will get the error. Why? Because when refresh will work, guys, it
When
is
it
up
is
and
in
running. Right?
up and running only.
If it is stopped, why? How can we refresh? If your laptop is not running, how can you refresh your laptop? Right? In the same way, if instance is not running, you cannot refresh it. You will get error now. Okay, so server admin is very powerful permission. Shutdown permission is there, so don't give permissions to everyone or anyone. If they are asking, I need server, of course, no one will ask you again at the end of the day. If anyone is asking, tell them, okay, server admin is having a shutdown permission, so we cannot give you, or you can deny shutdown permission to the Divya. If you don't want to misuse, you can add Divya to server role, server admin role, but shutdown permission can be denied. I'll explain about deny, guys, in the next class, Monday's class. We'll discuss about the deny, what deny will do, why deny is so important. Okay, how can we block? Even though Divya is a member of server admin, how can I block Divya to execute shutdown permission or shutdown query? Okay, so this is how it will work. By using deny, we can do that. Okay, agree. So what is the other role, guys? After the deny, we have setup admin, right? You can see here for Divya, you can see stop role. Okay, it is not updated as of now. Same, guys, same again. Don't think two, both are same. It was not updated. What is the other role, guys? Server admin, setup admin, and sysadmin, guys. Nothing to explain. Everything he can do. Setup admin, it's related to the linked servers and all. Okay, creating linked servers. Right, so main permission is creating link. Oh, okay, can I execute now? I'm executing it.
Machine is not running.
No,
Server
sir.
is not running.
Yeah,
Server is
okay.
stop
Right click,
operation.
right click, it will throw the error. Okay, let me try by using configuration manager. Select it and play it. It will start, or you can start from your services.msc also. Right click, start it. It was already started, right? So you can see stop button again. Right now, where is that management studio? Now you can see immediately it was executed. Okay, and you can see that red button was gone here. Okay, so creating linked servers and all. Linked server is a separate object. Linked server will create a bridge between, a link between two RDBMS softwares. I want to transfer data from Oracle to SQL Server. I want to transfer data from MySQL to SQL Server. You can create linked servers between these two RDBMS softwares. so that the data will be transferred from your Oracle to SQL Server, guys, or from any other source to SQL Server, from SQL Server to any other source, import and export kind of thing. To do that, we should have linked servers. We have to create linked servers. Okay, so you can see here under server objects, you can see linked servers. It's very easy to create linked servers. See here under server objects, you can create linked servers. Right click new linked server. You have to give the source name. You have to give the credentials. What is the source provider? You have to other SQL server to this SQL server. You have to select a SQL server. Other RDBMS software, you have to select this Microsoft OLEDB provider. Okay, so depends upon your provider, you can choose the source, and you have to give the permissions and all security. You have to give the username, password. That's it, guys. This is how we'll create a linked server. Okay, so if you are a member of setup admin, you can create linked servers, you can drop linked servers, you can configure the linked servers, guys. This is what a member of linked server, a member of this setup admin will do. Okay, so again, we don't use this setup admin. The final role is server admin, guys. Not server admin, sysadmin.
Sysadmin.
Yeah, sysadmin, nothing to explain. Sysadmin can do everything. Okay, whatever things, whatever permissions we discussed, right? All the things, all the permissions he can do. You want to see the permissions, what sysadmin will have? You can drag and drop it. You can see almost all 120 permissions will be there. Everything. He can add member to the bulk admin. He can add member to DB creator, disk admin, process admin, security admin, server admin, setup admin, sysadmin. Okay. See how many permissions are there. See, whatever we discussed till now, all the permissions are part of this role. All the permissions.
121 rows are
Yeah,
there.
total. See, drop login, drop role, everything we discussed. These things and all. Drop login is there in the security admin. Okay, so everything. And the next class, I'll tell you the differences between, okay, delete, drop, and truncate. Okay, this is very important. And again, I'll tell you grant, with grant, okay,
Deny.
revoke, and deny. I'll explain all these 7 terminologies in the next class, guys. Okay, very beautiful, very beautiful. You will enjoy these terminologies and all. Right, so this is what sysadmin. If I want to add anyone into sysadmin role, very easy, right? Go to the particular login, double click on it, go to the server roles, make him as a sysadmin, click OK, tell them that give the sysadmin, please validate and let me know in case of any issues. You can send an email to them so that you will get an update. In case if they are working fine, they don't revert back. If the things are not working fine properly, again they will revert back, hey, this permission is not working for me. So again, you have to look into it. Okay, guys, but you cannot practice whether logged in as Anand. You don't know Anand password, right? To logged in. As I know Divya's password, so I logged in. So in the organization, we don't test it. Of course, it will work properly, perfectly fine. Since 22 years, it is doing the same thing. No need to test you guys. Sorry, no need to test SQL Server. But to get the idea, clear idea, to get the clear picture, you can test in your environment, not in the organization. Clear, guys, about server roles. In the next class, I'll tell you customized server roles. Okay, let me reconnect. If you have any questions, you can ask. Let me reconnect.